If you like the 1958 General Motors body style, you're gonna love this one. 1958 Pontiac Bonneville, Sport Cooper 2-door hardtop. Paint code WWW, and obviously long before the World Wide Web. So each one of those letters stood for Star Mist Silver. There's 3 of them because roof, body, and sphere were all the same color. And obviously you can see what I'm talking about by sphere on this one. So solid paint color. This one looking very much the way it would have looked back in 1958 when it rolled off the Pontiac dealership showroom floor. And then of course, the bright work, chrome, everything up front, that iconic 58 front end, individual letters spelling out Bonneville. And you can see chrome in nice shape, paint's in nice shape. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's all you got to do. Down below in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Pontiac wheel covers, wide white wall radial tires. Original engine size on this car, 370, and that's still what's underneath the hood to this day. 370 cubic inch V8. Hydromatic transmission, so automatic transmission, and power steering, power brakes, AC. Best of all, it blows cold. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see how nice and straight these panels are. Look at the bright work. That is also in nice shape, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or man, just take this thing out and drive it down the road, fender skirts intact. Interior two-tone, kind of gray and silver, I guess you'd call it. Vinyl, cloth blend, seat belts intact, front and rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer because we want to look at the chrome and all the cool stuff on that dash. Again, bright work all the way around this car in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look at that shot right there. I mean, just a work of art back then is what the vehicles were. A lot of time spent in the design and development of these cars. As you can see, dual exhaust, good sounding car. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of this video. We'll take this car for a drive too. And once again, all those still pictures, take a look at the underside, how nice and clean the underside is. The engine bay being nice and tidy, interior, trunk, UniqueClassicCars.com. As we take a look down the driver's side, if you like the 1958 body style, especially General Motors, obviously very similar, in a kind of 1-year production run of that body style. If you like those, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase off our showroom floor or our website. Maybe you just like cars. You can always mute me, you don't have to listen, but you can sure check out the cars. A lot of them are beauties. And very interesting cars. Lots of them have stories too. All right, so you can see driver's side looks as good as that. Passenger side, again, fender skirts. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Yeah, that bright work. Look at that. All right, first of all, door panels. Nice shape. And again, a lot of polished pieces, a lot of bright work on this interior. That center armrest. Does anybody know about those center armrests and how that's popped up? Down in the comments. Would you like to make a comment? Anything special about that armrest? Put the headliner real quick. Looks good. I haven't noticed any major rips, tears, holes in the seat as far as the vinyl or the fabric. Got great steering wheel. Look at the detail just on that steering wheel. And of course, again, the bright work on the interior of this car. The gauge clusters. Great sounding radio in this one. Vinyl on the dash. Also note, shifting pattern, park, neutral, drive, low, and reverse. So typically reverse being up where neutral is. Electric fuel pump. 370, fires right up. If you notice, oil pressure gauge went up. Of course, generator and temp. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect the temp gauge to be up. That's why we're on a little higher idle too. We're gonna let it warm up. I'll get it down the lower idle. AC will freeze you out in this thing. Controls, great sounding stereo.
This on Making Road is slated to be recorded by Morgan Wallen. That's
How about this?
Right here. That's Matt Stell.
Clock working. Ooh, let's listen to this. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Little rumble, nice deep throaty exhaust note. This one will turn some heads the way it looks and the way it sounds. Again, look at that sleek, beautiful body style. All right, let me pause it. I want to get this hood popped. Let's check out the engine bay. And remember, stick around the very end. We're taking it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, I have the hood popped. Real quick, I want to let you know there are some extra things that are going to go along with this car. There's some fuses that will go along with it. Little container of paint. So you have a little touch-up paint, but you know exactly what the color is. Weather stripping, some fabric and vinyl will go along with it. Miscellaneous manuals from like repair manual, service manual, that type of thing. Owner's guide. There's some extra lenses, emblems, some lights, sill plates. Check the still pictures out. You're going to see them in the still pictures. You'll know what I'm talking about. But check those out. UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, engine bay. Nice, clean, and tidy. There's that 370 V8 paired up with the automatic transmission. Nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Sounds good, looks good. You'll be able to see the data plate right there. You'll be able to see the VIN plate, all in the still pictures. Check them out. Tons of pictures of this car. Look at the underside. Look at the trunk. Clean car. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Beautiful big car. Very nice condition inside. The silver and the chrome and the grays, they go really well together. Same on the exterior. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. This car has plenty of power. Accelerating the large mass of this car at a very good speed. It almost feels like a small car when you're hitting that throttle. This car has what looks like an original radio. That is working well. Speedometer reading as it should. The oil pressure showing 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Fuel at 1/8 of a tank. The generator is right in the middle of the gauge, and the temperature is a little less than half. So all that looks good. The wipers work. Underneath the dash is an AC unit blowing ice cold. What more can you ask for? The comforts of the bench seat, very nice. Seemingly reupholstered for me looking at it, but it's a stock style and it looks really good. Matches the doors, matches the headliner. The headliner even has tiny stars in the pattern. Such attention to detail on these cars. The amount of styling design that went into it, the work making the chrome pieces. You definitely want to look at the pictures up close. This car corners as it should. Brakes are working great. Factory horn is working. You let go of the wheel, it stays right in the center of the lane. Doesn't pull to either side. Smooth ride down the highway. Just a great big old Pontiac in great shape. Take a look at all the pictures of this Bonneville at uniqueclassiccars.com.